Greeting. We are from Group 5. Title of experiment is Effect of Mean Residence Time on Plug Flow Reaction Process. And our objective is to study the effect of mean residence on conversion factor of saponification reaction of ethyl acetate and sodium hydroxide in plug flow reactor.
Concept of the lab work. Plug flow reactor are an idealized scenario where there is no mixing involved in the reactor. Reaction is not perfectly mixed, but the amount of the mixing in the reactor can be minimized. Usually, a catalyst is involved in the reaction to help reaction proceed at a faster rate. In PFR, there are few assumptions made. There are no mixing axial direction, which is in the direction of the flow. Complete mixing in the radial direction. A uniform velocity profile across the radius. The validity of the assumption will depend on the geometry of the reactor and the flow condition. The variation which are the frequent but not always important of the two kinds. Mixing in the longitudinal direction due to vorticus and turbulence. Incomplete mixing in radial direction and laminar flow condition. This is the explanation of the work. This is the equation for the PFR. Separate variable and integrate variable with the limit v equal to 0 and x equal to 0 to obtain the volume of PFR to achieve the specified conversion of x. This is for the residence time and rate of reaction. How to conduct the experiment. This is the expected result for the experiment. Now, I want to talk about the safety issues when we use the plug flow reactor. The plug flow collector is a plug flow reactor in which processes such as coagulation, flocculation, demulsification, precipitation and pH control can take place under highly controlled and well-defined conditions. Reactors find wide application in pharmaceuticals and chemical processing. A lot of opportunities are found in other industries, which include petrochemicals, nanoparticles production, flavor and fragrance manufacturing. These are the diagram of process water circulation for additives of input TS. Suggestion and recommendation. First, all valves involved in this experiment should be checked and properly placed before experiment started and after experiment end. Second, P1 and P2 should be controlled and observed regularly to make sure flow rate should constant throughout the experiment. Number 3, the titration of sample should be stopped immediately when the indicator turns pink. Number 4, for more accurate result, experiment can be run twice and calculate the average value. Number 5, ensure that there are no leakage in the equipment. Lastly, the pump should never be run dry.
Created using Powtoon.